Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve screw burr puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Oscar van Deventer, famous Dutch puzzle designer. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 6 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to take it apart and then reassemble it again. This puzzle is related to a classic 6-piece burr puzzle, but instead of square rods, here we have screws, and instead of sliding motions, we have to screw the parts in or out. And that's make this puzzle a little bit more difficult, since you have to put all parts in a precise place, otherwise you're not going to be able to fit the next piece, or once all 6 parts are going to be together, they're going to fall apart and not going to hold the shape. If you like the screw burr puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. So we're going to start with the taking apart. It's going to be quite easy. There is only one piece you can move. It is the red one, and once you're going to be able to remove it, the rest of the parts are just going to fall apart. Now we have to assemble it back. To do that, we're going to grab the blue piece, black and green, and put them together. And that's going to happen something like this. The black piece will go on top of the green one, like this. Here we're going to leave some space for the next piece. Now the blue piece, we have to put it right here, and how it is supposed to be, not like this. I'm always having issues with the blue piece, since I don't know exactly how to put it inside. It's not going to be like this, but it's going to be this way. Yep. So it's going to be like this. Here it's going to be start of another shape where we're going to put the last piece. Now we can grab the orange, or you probably have yellow piece, and put it right here. If it is too high or too low, you can screw it in or out a little bit to leave more space for the next piece that is going to be here. So the next one is white piece, and it fits right here. And it looks like everything fits pretty well. We have just to put the red piece inside and hope that it's gonna hold itself and not gonna fall apart. But I made something wrong, and I have to start from the very beginning. So let's try again. The black and green piece, the blue part is gonna be here, something like this. The white piece probably I'm gonna put like this, and now I can grab the orange piece and screw it in. Maybe this way it's gonna be a little bit easier to assemble this part. And we have to make sure that it fits right in a correct spot. And now the red piece, the less moves you do with the whole shape, the easier it's gonna be for you to assemble it. And that's it. The puzzle is solved. All 6 parts are together again. So that was the solution of screw burr puzzle. As you can see, even though you know the way how to solve it, it is still going to be quite a challenge to assemble all 6 parts together, since they might fall apart right at the very end and you have to start from the beginning. If you like the screw burr puzzle by Oscar van Deventer, or you want to try some other great puzzles designed and made by Oscar van Deventer, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.